July 25th is already here, and you know what that means? That means the Corvette ZR1 is officially here. Now, if you go to the Instagram, the Corvette Instagram or the Chevrolet Instagram, you're gonna see a post that says the teaser video or the reveal video. It's gonna be coming tonight at 7:30 at night. But you know, the old interweb never fails, and we have all the images already leaked and we have all the information. So I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna give you guys a first look of what we're gonna be seeing today on that teaser video. Obviously, I'm gonna drop a video now, and at night I'm gonna do a reaction to that teaser video because we've all been waiting for this vehicle to come out. So the first picture we have is the yellow and the blue, and tell me how amazing that car looks. I personally love the yellow, but the blue looks amazing. Now, one of the things that we're gonna get with this vehicle is carbon fiber wheels, but that's mind-blowing. Now, I want to get into the interior picture here. We look at it and we see some yellow stitching. We see the bucket seats, pretty much your standard Corvette interior with the stitching, and there's obviously going to be more features in the interior as the video come out. Remember, these are leak images, but these have been confirmed that these are the real ones, and it looks amazing. I like how they did the stitching all over the steering wheel. I like it how they did it on the door panels, because we see it's done on the door panels, and that looks amazing. This is a picture of the blue one. I think it looks super hot. I love the blue one. To my personal taste, I like it when there isn't the wing. I don't like the wing in the back of it. Now, not that I'm not a fan of it, I prefer it without the wing. So I like this blue one that's kind of like wingless, and we see a back shot here of the blue one that looks amazing. So okay, so what is the info? What is this car gonna come with? And this is probably what you've been waiting for. Twin turbo, officially twin turbo, lots of horsepower. It is dubbed the LT7, a displacement for the 5.5 liter that develops 1,064 horsepower at a speed of 7,000 RPMs and torque, and it has 828 feet-pounds of torque at 6,000 RPMs. It should also be noted that the LT7 is born from the LT6 block already in service on board with the very high-end CO6. The block therefore retains its doubled overhead cam and its flat crankshaft, cast cylinder heads with unique port and enlargement of the combustion chamber. The intake has also been revised to adapt to the turbochargers, while the distribution of the valve lift profile are optimized for Ford's induction. That is insane. The ZR1, guys, that we've been waiting for, it's finally here, July 25th. Twin turbo, 1,064 horsepower, 5.5 liter LT7. Other improvements include increased gear capacity through shot pinning of all gears, oil management to support increase of longitude and lateral capacity, and increased control valves to accommodate higher clutch clamp load, to name a few. It is an insane of a beast. I want to go over this picture right here. This is the back picture here. I love this. This yellow is amazing. The back wing looks good. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it looks good. I like it. We got the 4 exhausts in the middle that we've been seeing from the ones that had the camo. You could clearly see the carbon fiber mirrors there. If we go to this front picture here, we see that lip in the front. Here you could even see more of the carbon fiber wheels, not the mirrors, the wheels. And that looks amazing. I love that front look. I think GM or Chevrolet has executed this vehicle to the T, and I think it came out flawlessly. In this picture here, we get an even more closer look. Here we could really see the carbon fiber wheels. We see that carbon fiber kind of like mid-split there with the air induction that goes in the middle, and that is insane. We also see a back picture here where we can see the back wing. Now, one thing I'm noticing on this picture is that you see the glass on the top. You're obviously going to be able to see the engine. I think Chevrolet executed this car very well. 1,064 horsepower, LT7 5.5. This is what us car guys have been wanting for a long time. This is the road that companies need to move towards, not kill the Charger and the Challenger and give us a Daytona EV that has a speaker in the back that imitates the exhaust. None of that. We need this. We need power, we need fuel, we need high power. This is amazing. So boys, these are the official leak images of the ZR1 that's coming out today at 7:30, and this is the info. 5.5 LT7, 1,064 horsepower, 828 feet-pound of torque, and it is insane. Now, there's going to be a bunch of other features and a bunch of other comforts and stuff like that that we're going to get into it, but I will come back to you tonight with a teaser video, not a teaser video, the reveal video or the teaser video from Chevrolet, and we're going to do a reaction and see what else comes out throughout the day. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, if you're enjoying the content, remember to tune in and subscribe. Your boy is out of here.